In this video, we will see about how to create a user in Cognito. So let's get started. So first go to the AWS console and click Cognito. So once you go in, initially we need to create a user pool to have access over the Cognito resources. So I have created a Java code which will help you to create users, delete users and delete all users under a user pool. So I created a auth request and I have created 3 methods inside this service where we can delete by username and delete everything and register things. So this I achieve using this resource JSON files where you have properties which will have this client ID, access key, secret key and etc. So I have statically imported the some of the user request and delete user JSON. So let's start to create the user pool. So I'm creating a user pool with email. So this email will be having as a primary key. So I'm setting up this user pool. So I'm enabling the self-registration so that a user can register themselves. So in AWS, it's very easy to maintain the authentication information using Cognito. So all you can customize in the console itself. You don't want to write more boilerplate codes. So a simple thing you need to do is you need to connect via client to have access over this user pool. So I'm just reviewing it. It's all get set ready and let's go. So I've created a user pool name. So you can see I have a user pool ID. Just copy this user pool ID and just take it to the properties.json file. So make sure that I have selected this AP Southeast 2. So which is my region. So if the region is mismatched, then it won't work in the client perspective. So just add this user pool information in your property.json. Remove the unwanted Unicodes. And go to the app integration where you will find the client at that below. So you will have the client ID, copy it and just paste it in the client ID section. So remove the Unicode as well. And once it is done, we need access key and secret key. For that, we need to go to the IAM of AWS. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a user and that particular user will be given a particular authority to access over the Cognito resources. So to create a user, just let's go to the user section and create user. Just give your name and next. From here, I will attach policies directly for now. So I'll be attaching the Cognito power user. So which will be having the full control of the Cognito resources. So I'm just checking this and giving next. So create user. Yeah, once the user is created, all you need to do is create access key and secret key. To do that, just go inside and just go to the security credentials. Inside, you will find this access key section. You just create access key. So I'm doing it for the local code. I'm just giving as local code and yeah. So next, when you do it, create access key. So this particular access key is needed for our client to have access over the Cognito resources. Just copy it and paste it here. So this particular client secret key will not be visible once you exit this page. So just copy paste it somewhere else for the future reference. So I have a static username JSON and I also have a property for username and password. So now we are good to go. So next what we need to do is just go to the user section. You can see there is no users yet registered. So we are going to register via Java code. Just go to the main function as is written. Just run this program. Okay, the other thing is we need to check out the regions first. If the region is not similar with the client and the region that we created, it will throw you an error. So let's see. Initially, I'm going to collect like information from the user to post it to register in the Cognito. So yeah, giving the password to register. So once it is done, you will also receive a mail. So you can ignore it now. So we are not going to proceed with that right now. So let's go to the user section and see. Yeah, you can see that user is created in the user pool. So not only registering is included in this code, also deleting the user and deleting all the user is also included. Okay, this is the input that I just collected from the user input. So how to dump the JSON data? It's very easy. Just go to the register static user. Just select this option and you can see that all these static users are registered. So these particular static users are collected from the JSON. So this will be helping you to create most of the users manually. So you can create users bulkly using this code. So not only creating the users in bulk, you can also delete the users in bulk. You just need to configure the JSON and execute it. That's it.